Hi guys, welcome back to another product review video by Daniel and John, and in today's video we're looking at a DEWALT bare cordless angle grinder. It's the DCG412N, uses the XR battery range. This doesn't include a battery, but we have got other DEWALT tools so that it'll work with those. That's the rough specs of it. So if you're thinking about buying this, we hope this video is helpful to you.
So in the box, this is all you get: instruction manual, handle that goes in left or right depending on your preferences, quite a good firm handle, nice grip on it, which is good. The other thing you get in it, which might confuse some people, is an Allen key. This wrench here,
Show that. Yep.
I don't know if you can catch it on the camera, but if you see on the thing, you see slightly chamfered edges right at the bottom. You might be able to pick that up. Traditionally, on any angle grinder, you had a key with two spikes and you popped them in and you turned it. Now, you don't get thrown with this, because if you look at these holes, there's one there and one there and one there and one there. There's four basically, but those two holes are smaller. The Allen key wrench won't go in there, but it will go in there and there. So this is for undoing and tightening for your blade. So how do you get your blade in? On the front there's a black thing there, like a trigger. You turn that till it's locked. It's now locked, and simply do that. Bearing in mind, and always label side down, if you know what I mean, like that. I mean, it feels very good quality as I'm turning things. They're they're heavyweight. So again, you find the one that goes in. That's tightened up, it's enough for that. On the front there's obviously a safety guard there, and that is depending where you've got your handle. If you put it on the left side like me, you're going to have to remove it. But that's altered and rotated by just pressing that and going slowly with it till you've got it in the position you want. That's really as simple as it is. The other good feature about this is it's got a safety switch there, so it won't turn on. Personally, I'll just take the battery out if I've got kids or anything.
Yeah.
So quality wise, 10 out of 10 definitely. It's DEWALT. Nice rubber handle, so easy to use. Use scenarios really anywhere where you're mobile mechanics, on your allotment, even in your garden, under the car. It's so much easier when you haven't got a cord to drag around. What we'll do in a minute, we'll go outside and cut some metal. But just bear in mind that these angle grinders will take a variety of different blades, from diamond edge ones for cutting ceramic tiles, etc. Flapper wheel, disc cutting.
Yeah.
So you can
grinding.
do a lot of stuff with them. And there's a disc cutting blade on there. So we'll pop outside, like I say, straight out the box, and see how it performs. Yeah.
Right, so we're outside and we're going to try and cut this metal with a Bosch cutting blade we've got, and we'll show you the results. And next we're going to try the grinding. Right, so the next one we're going to use is a grinding disc. I'll just show you that, John. There you go. We've got some welds here, we're just going to grind down and show you what they look like. See, that's made light work of that, and the next one we're going to try is the flap disc. Right, so we've got our flap disc on, and we're going to clean up this metal with it.
So let's do a nasty bit.
Right, we're back in now because it's raining, but as you can see by the demonstration we've done, it works very well. Has plenty of power and supports a wide variety of cutting discs as well. So it's ideal for any DIY job, you know, that sort of thing.
So overall performance, definitely 10 out of 10. It is packed with power. Obviously you need a good battery, decent size ampage battery. You need some good blades or disc, whatever you're using. It's a multi-purpose tool. I'm really impressed with it. Cleaning up different grits. A couple of things I'll just point out is when you are grinding, just come in at a bit of an angle. Never go flat head on. Make sure your thing is clamped down. This key has got a key benefit, is that when you've got a recess with, say, like this flapper wheel here, trying to get a spanner on in there would be quite difficult. So the ability to get this in gives you the height so you can get different wheels on, because otherwise the spanner is flat and it's got two prongs on it and you'd be struggling to get this on. So that's quite a good feature.
But you can use an existing wrench if you've got one in your toolbox. Yeah,
you can.
But that works well.
The prongs are limited, and because this has got a recess, a bevel there, it might be difficult to get these on. So that is a good, simple design, but really good. Yeah, 10 out of 10, and suitable just for a variety of projects. How much was this, by the way?
About £60–70.
£60–70, and that enables you to go virtually mobile with it, so wherever you are. Bear in mind, I'll say you can put different discs on it, so you can. I'm not quite sure the whole range of discs you can get, but you need to look that up for disc for.
We've just used the discs we've got. We haven't got a ceramic disc at the moment, but those are the ones we've got.
For those who don't know, you don't need DEWALT discs. There's nothing. You just need the 115mm on there.
Yeah, you can use any make you want.
As long as you're getting 115mm discs, whatever brand. But we would say something like Bosch or something like that, because they're really good quality. If you like this video, we're a small channel, and a thumbs up or subscribe does help us big time, just to move along a little bit. Anyway, thanks for watching.